Hello everyone, myself Shanaz. Welcome back to MTC-Mustafa Tuition Center. On this short, let's understand the difference between even numbers and odd numbers. Understanding this concept is very important for kids because this will provide foundational concept for number theory. Hello kids?
Hello ma'am.
Okay, let's learn the difference between odd and even numbers. Okay, so what are even numbers? Numbers that can be divided into two equal groups. Number that can be divided into two equal parts with nothing left over. Now see, for example, Soumya is having 6 markers with her. Now she want to divide them into equal groups. So how she can divide it? She can divide them into two equal groups with 3 in each. There is no leftover. Otherwise, she can divide them into 3 groups with 2 in each. Okay, like this. There is nothing left over, right? So this is even. Okay, whereas odd numbers are the numbers that cannot be divided into two equal parts. There is always a leftover when you split them. Now see, for example, Divyanshu is having 5 markers. Now he want to divide them into groups. Okay, so now see, he can divide with 2 in each. Okay, 2 in each group like this. Now there is one leftover. So that means this is odd. Okay, this is odd. Okay, because it cannot be divided into two equal groups. There is always one leftover. Okay, so even numbers, they end with what? They end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, so they end with these. Now see here, 10, 12, 14, 16, all these are what? Even numbers, because they end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, whereas odd numbers, they end in 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, see here, 19, 23, 45, 67, all these are odd numbers because they end with 9, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, then next coming to even numbers. Even numbers are divisible by 2. When you divide them by 2, you will not get any leftover. Okay, the remainder will be 0. Okay, they are exactly divisible. Whereas odd numbers, they are not divisible by 2. Okay, when you divide any odd number by 2, there is a leftover. Did you understand? Okay, then even numbers, the sum of two even numbers, that means when you add two even numbers, the sum is always even. Okay, see now, 2 is an even number, 6 is an even number. When you add them, you get 8. 8 is also an even number. Okay, whereas in odd numbers, the sum of two odd numbers is always even. See, 3 is an odd number, 5 is an odd number. When you add them, you get 8. 8 is an even number. Understood? Okay, then next coming to even numbers, the product of two even numbers. Okay, when you multiply two even numbers, the answer is always